What's the meaning of brougham? Brougham. Brougham.
Brougham. Brougham. A brougham is a type of horse-drawn carriage that became popular in the 19th century. It was typically a closed carriage with 2 or 4 wheels, designed for private use and pulled by a single horse. Later versions were designed to be pulled by automobiles. The word brougham has since become synonymous with luxury and elegance, and the style has been incorporated into modern cars as a design element. Despite its historical significance, the brougham is not commonly used in modern transportation, but the name lives on as a reminder of an era when carriages and horses ruled the roads.